Christmas is coming to town. Merry Christmas all! Lapit ng Pasko. Ayan o. Wow, ang galing. Ang galing-galing. Siniselebrate din pala nila ang Pasko. Ayan po. Inopen na nila yung aming dyan, fountain. Ayan po yung fountain. Inopen na. Inopen na ang fountain. Magaling. Ayan po, meron na pong design ng Pasko. Akala ko hindi nila isi-celebrate ang Christmas. But look, it's beautiful. Beautiful po. Nilagyan ng decoration. Ay, maboborn again na rin yata sila rito. Upside down to Jesus. Ang mga tao. Ang buong mundo. Tingnan niyo po. The fountain. Oh, galing. Ang galing-galing. Nice. Very nice. Merry Christmas, Hong Kong. Buti naman. Salamat that you are celebrating what we know. Jesus was born for us to save, that we may be saved.